G'day, welcome to I Cultivate. My name's Steve. If you've been following our channel, you will have seen us providing the odd update with the development of our new productive garden. During this video, we're going to have a look at exactly how it has all turned out. Now you might remember that we had a fairly sloping piece of land where I wanted this productive garden to go, hence the building of this retaining wall section of the garden. Now let's go around the other side and we'll actually have a look at the way in which this is all worked out. So you can see the structure here that you had previously seen, but the difference to what you saw previously is that there is this netting over the top. Now this netting is bird-safe netting. In other words, the holes are of the size that it will not actually catch or birds won't get trapped in it should they fly onto it. But the beauty of it's not so much about the birds. In this area, it's more about the insects that can get into and damage some of the plants that we wish to grow. We also have quite a few possums, and so therefore this is protecting our garden from those possums. So we now have protection from predator insects that cause all sorts of problems with the vegetables, and of course possums that like to come in and nibble on those nice green leaves. So come on in and have a look at how this is all going. You can see the main plant that we've put in here are brassicas, and the brassicas include our cauliflowers, broccoli, kale, and of course our cabbages that you've seen in here as well. Now brassicas are all really susceptible to those horrible cabbage moths, and those white cabbage moths are now prevented from coming in here and getting to them by the netting. And I'm just overjoyed by the way in which this has gone. This garden has got absolutely no use of any sort of pesticides in here at all. Not organic pesticides or even the more nasty inorganic ones as well. We have made this garden completely chemical free. Now the quality of the soil is also something that we are overjoyed by. If you have a look at the previous video on No Dig Gardens, you will see exactly how we developed this soil. But this soil is something that we are just delighted by. The quality is fantastic. We of course need to ensure that we maintain it like this with the addition of more organic matter like compost and so on over the coming seasons. But at the moment, for the first year's crop, it's fantastic. Couldn't be happier. The other thing that we've been really happy with, and it's probably gone better than I even expected, is how Nutgrass is now completely managed here. In the entire time that we have had this garden planted out, I've probably picked out maybe 3 or 4 nutgrass plants. And of course with the nature of the soil the way it is now, I've been able to get the nut. Now if you have a look at the other video we did with this with regards to dealing with nutgrass, and I'll put a link down below for that, I was saying in that it's really difficult to deal with, and of course it is, but the way in which we've had success here is something that I'm really happy with, and I hope that you get something from that also. Now I really hope that you have enjoyed our journey in taking this block of land from a nutgrass infested piece of ground all the way through to what we now have as a productive garden that we are really happy with. So can I ask you please to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and go to our website icultivate.net and become a member of the community. Thanks for watching.